Hello, beautiful ladies. Let's wake up and smell the roses, like quite literally. Besides having the roses in the vase, let's make rose tonic water and we can use it every morning and smell amazing. And not only, there are a lot of skin benefits in the rose water, which I will cover at the end of the video. For now, let's get to making it. First, you want to make sure you have organic roses. Best roses to make this water from are Damascus, Centifolia, and Gallica rose. The best time to collect the roses is early in the morning after the rain. That's when they have most benefits in the petals. You want to shake off any bugs, peel off the petals, and rinse them. Also, you want to make sure you cut off the roses that just started blooming. The older ones won't have as many beneficial properties in them. Here I have 5 to 6 roses. While you're tearing the petals off, boil 2 to 3 cups of water. By the way, here I have a rose called Damascena. Some call it Rose of Castle and some call it Dusk Rose. That's why it's so important to collect it early in the morning. That's when it has the most beneficial properties in it. After the petals have been cleaned, put them in a clean bowl, pour boiling water over it, cover it, and set it aside for 8 to 10 hours. For the water to draw all those minerals and vitamins from the petals. We don't want to cook them to make sure we save all the good stuff. And by good stuff, I mean vitamins like A, C, D, and E. Okay, petals have been sitting here overnight. Now I'm ready to pour it in my little spray bottle. First, I will scoop all the petals out and then strain it to catch any of the tiny pieces. By the way, rose water is not only good for your skincare, but it can be used in the kitchen. You can add into your tea or lemonade. You can also use rose water in cake soaking syrup or in fruit salad dressing. At this point, discard the petals and strain the water. I have a small spray bottle and it's perfect size since this water has only a few weeks of shelf life when kept in refrigerator. Also, you can freeze for later use. It can be stored up to a few months in the freezer. I'm using regular ice tray, pouring just a little in each section to keep the cubes small. Rose water benefits are it soothes skin irritation, contains antioxidants, has skin aging properties, reduces skin redness, maintains skin's pH balance, hydrates skin, mood enhancer, relieves headache, and fights dandruff. You can spray directly onto your face and neck or use cotton ball. Rose water is also great for your hair. It will fight your dandruff if sprayed on your scalp, or you can spray onto your hair to control frizzy hair. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching.